Next person, Gold God.
Smash! Woo! Me I tell you guys, smash! Smash Gold Guard, me that smash ya 100,000 times. If me can't smash ya, bitch. Guys, I don't know, say it's a girl CC, and me I tell you, say today me there with one next promotion, and me I ask you now, please, me I beg you now, guys, me can go down for my knees, guys, and show you, say me I beg you now to go over active troops, guys. Show her some love, show her some support, guys. Go over there, go subscribe, comment down there, so make sure you see a CC and Nathan send you guys. She at 671. Me I ask you now, please, if you can bring her to at least 1K, we would appreciate that. Please, me I beg you now, guys. Just do me a beg you now. Our link I got down in the description, so just click it. But right over there, just subscribe and show her some love. I love the whole I want to big up. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CC.
And your boy Nathan out there with the next video, guys.
As I can see down and I tell you today we're there with a smasher pass.
Yeah, guys.
Edition again.
YouTuber. No, dancehall edition.
Edition, yeah, guys.
Artist
So,
edition, guys. You see me? So,
yeah.
I just be an artist.
Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Go over to his second channel, guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe. We don't drop not yet, but we drop 1 inch, guys. So let's go check it out. Go check it out and subscribe.
You see me? So, guys, we just are head straight into the video. You see me? So just show us some love.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, stay tuned. And
Please
watch it
remember
quickly.
to watch the ads.
Turn
guys.
on the bell, guys. Yeah, man. If you turn on the bell, so you're not gonna get no.
Alright, so let's get into this video. So the first dancehall artist, Spice.
Smashed. Smash. When I smash Spice, guys, tick up and round there, out there. 6 outside. Never fear. No, guy. Yeah, man. Spice to the half you get Spice. Smite. Spice to the half you get smash. Halfy. Second, me I give you Dexter.
Jesus. Smash. Are you fast, brad? You don't know say smash. Smash.
See if you see she go on board.
Smash. Dexter. Smash.
She want man. She want smash man.
Right. Can't pass
You see them thing there? It's alright. Go on. Go on. Go on, man. Don't worry yourself.
The next lady is, Aishana.
Guys, nothing wrong with her right now. She look good at everything in her body. More to smash Aishana. You see? More to pass her because Aishana, you know, hear what she saying in her song. And me no depend that. Did a pass her.
I heard you.
Oh, sorry. Did a pass her. I swear to God. More to pass her, guys. Alright. Second now, what am I going to give you? Oh, see picture, you know. It doesn't find it. And I have to find out.
Hurry up, man, hurry up. I'm gonna smash the hell out of these niggas.
Smash
You take too long, man. Who's that? Daddy one?
Yeah. Daddy one, guys.
Well, you know nothing wrong with daddy one or no. You see it, but me that pass.
Did I pass?
Come look for him again. Oh God. Come look good for that pose, hello. That pose where that make me smash him, people. Me I go show it. Me that smash him. Look at him neat, bombat. Him polo shirt just sit down so and him tight
Come,
just
alright, come.
bombat.
Come
Watch his
Go,
shoes,
go,
watch
go.
his
You're
shoes,
time
babe.
now, come.
Bombat.
Don't show me
Smash.
go watching.
Smash.
Your time now.
Man, you can't left, remember? Smash. Like, what's something wrong with my eye? Next lady is Shantia.
Smash. Let's smash Shensia, guys. Smash, yeah. Smash up, smash up, smash up. No. Next person, Goal God.
Smash! Me I tell you guys, smash! Smash Goal Guard, me that smash ya 100,000 times. If me can smash ya billion, trillions, billions times, must smash you up, yeah! Smash!
Yeah. Alright. Don't worry yourself. Eh.
Smash! So the next one is
Picture them, it a jump up.
so the next lady is, guys, sorry for taking so long, is Jada Kingdom.
Guys, when you hear Mr. Nice say, look on this. This is not Jada Kingdom, this is Jada City. Dead! That dead! See, you're not vexed with me. Look on this, guys. You would have passed that? Who would have passed that? They would have mad. They would have mad to pass that.
Your time, Oreo. Oreo, because I'm ready for smash. When I pass nothing, everything me I smash. Everything me want to smash. Oh God.
Intense, guys.
Oh my God.
Benji, let's answer the
Intense,
thing
you
no
make
matter
me
stop.
so, oh God.
So over.
Oh Jesus.
Intense
I
make
can't
you
even
over.
tell you how I feel, babe. Oh my God. Smash! Oh my.
Come like you're sickening.
Smash.
So intense make you feel.
Smash!
So over. Oh, it make you feel.
You
Come,
know,
come,
know.
let's come. Look, hurry up, I don't know be there.
So yeah, yes, me so
Oh,
far.
intense make you feel.
Well, yeah, yes, me so far. So the next lady is, guys, Vanessa Bling.
Me that smash her. That smash her, her skin clean. That smash her, guys, you see? Mm-hmm. Next person, guys. Eye water. Stop like you know, sit down. You can't
Yeah,
shake
yeah.
up, shake up. You can't shake up body more. You shake
Oh,
up
what
this
kind of
body.
slide? Oh, what kind of slide in this?
Go and shake up body for man.
What you mean?
Come.
Wow.
Go and shake up body for man.
Smash!
Hold this. Calm me down, you know. Just done it, the little. Hold this.
Smash for
Come
the
now on
boy.
the last one and come. God, you can't bother with this one. You see how she a go on? Go and smash her be a man.
So the next girl is Chanel.
Not smash her. Her song name too bad for pass her, you see? Her song name bad so me that smash her and she have a very good look, man. She don't get smash her, see?
The last one for you, man.
The last one for you.
For me.
Squash.
if me not forget up and go on bad for squash. Wanna tell me, you know. Wanna tell me if me not for go on bad for squash, you know. Tell the people. Yeah, tell me myself in any video, you know.
Anybody say?
Guys. Yeah, guys, so I just pranking my while ago, so I was the prank is seeing how my boyfriend would react when I go a wee over the dance artist them guys. So yeah. Nathan! Nathan! Big sun gone. Prank war start. No, no, guys, nothing is said start.
Mom.
Come on, we end this up, my virgin.
No, you know, maybe just end the video now. Just stop it.
Okay, whatever. Yeah, guys, I want to just say when Nathan just get pranked a while ago.
Why you? I want to.
Seeing his reaction. You don't know all that, guys. Yes, so I want to see the title down there say, yeah, guys. So spam my comment section with Team CC. Can't even know no come don't tell him say yo, a smash and pass we are gonna do, you know. So a different thing me turn that in and you know girl CC love user head and so I remember me don't tell you say the prank war start. So you for watching it back cause I'm coming. Cause I'm not take my position down people. Yeah guys, so don't know say love the whole and I'm out.